Okay, I think I got this going. This is an experiment with Sunny. Now, I'm going to hand him a piece. Okay, he checks it out first. But if I do this, let's see, catch it. Oh, you got it. He doesn't have to sniff it when he catches it. And but he usually sniffs it when I'm handing it to him. So now, okay, you ready? Are you ready? There you go. And one more. Yeah, sniff it first. Okay, so that's for the little bit of a treat. Okay, experiment with Sunny. I hand it to him, he sniffs it. I toss it in the air, he just grabs it. There he goes.